Good afternoon. Today our topic cash book, single column cash book. Cash book, single column cash book or simple cash book. Single column cash book or simple cash book with one column on each side. Left hand side, receipts of cash are recorded, and on the right hand side, payments are recorded. Simple column cash book, main points should be remembered when you prepare a single column cash book. Number 1 points, when cash book is maintained, cash account is not opened in the ledger. Cash book is balanced like any other account, say debit balance, credit balance. Next, it does not record all credit transaction, check receipts or given, cash discount, discount allowed or discount receipts not recorded in single column cash book. Cash book will not have a credit balance in the case of simple column cash book or single column cash book. Cash in hand, because cash paid cannot exceed cash in hand. This is the main point should be considered when you prepare simple column cash book. Again, lastly, you find out their balance. Balance means the difference between debit and credit sides. The balance recorded credit sides by balance CD, then both sides are equal, and this balance transferred to next month to balance BD brought down. Okay, now let us one example how to prepare single column cash book or simple cash book. See the board. Question number 1. From the following transactions in Ram and Company, prepare cash book with cash column only. That means left hand side one column amount, right hand side credit sides one column only. 2021 date 2nd April, opening cash balance 12,000 or cash in hand 12,000, same meaning. April 5th April, cash received from Amit rupees 4,000. 7th April, rent paid rupees 2,000. 10th April, purchase goods for cash 6,000. 15th April, sold goods for cash 9,000. Okay. 18th April, purchase stationery 300. 22 April, cash paid to Rahul on account rupees 2,000. 30th April, salary paid rupees 1,500. This is the transaction in the month of April. Now prepare only single column cash book. Now how to prepare? First to prepare the format, that is you just prepare the format, left hand sides and right hand sides. Top portions you write in the books, in the book of Ram and Company, cash book, first bracket, single column. Debit side and credit sides. Debit sides, credit sides, same also. Date, particulars, left hand side debit sides, right hand sides credit sides. Now record date, particulars, or this side is known as receipt side, this side is known as payment sides. VN, voucher number, ledger folio, LF short form, amount. Same also credit sides, date, particulars, voucher number, ledger folio, amount. Okay. 2021 April, 2nd April. Cash in hand or opening balance 12,000. Then recorded debit sides, to balance BD or brought forward also, amount 12,000. That is the cash in hand. Okay. Next, 5th April, cash received from Amit. What is the amount? 4,000. Then journal entry, cash account debit to Amit account. April 5 to Amit account. Total amount cash received 4,000. Any cash received, they are recorded debit side. Any cash payment, they are recorded credit side. Golden rules you are applying in the case of real account. Receipts, any cash received, debit side, any cash payment, credit sides. Rent paid 7th April by rent 2,000. Next, 10th April, purchase goods for cash. April 10, by purchase account debit to cash account. What is the amount? 6,000. Okay. Now next transaction, 15th April, sold goods for cash account debit to sales account. 15 sold goods for cash 9,000, to sales account amount 9,000. Okay. 18th April, stationery paid rupees. Stationery paid rupees 300. Now 18th April, stationery paid by stationery account. What is the amount? 300. Next, cash paid to Rahul on account April 22. Cash goes out April 22. Cash paid to Rahul account debit to cash account by Rahul. Cash goes out 2,000. Okay. Next, last transaction, 30th April, salary paid rupees 1,500. That means cash goes out April 30 by salary account 1,500. All transactions are recorded, debit sides and credit sides. Now then you find out the balance. Cash always debit balance. First you adding the debit sides, 12,000, 4,000, that is 16,000 plus 9, 25,000. Debit side is greater than credit sides. Now credit sides only 2,000 plus 6,000, 8,000 plus 300, 8,300 plus 2,003, 10,300, 10,300, total receives 25,000. But payment this is equal to 6 to 8, 10, 11,800. 11,800. Now this is the balance. Balance 210,231. 13,200. Okay. Now then you write last date April 30 by balance CD. What is the amount? This amount 25,000, 25,000 both sides are. Now the difference between total debit and total credit is known as balance. This balance by balance CD 13,200. This is known as closing cash in hand at the end of the month. Okay. Now this balance transferred to next month. Is the next month May. 1st May to balance BD. This amount 13,200. Okay. Understand everybody? Thank you.